Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. So you all know that my skin is really dry, and because of that I also suffer from rough hands. I really have like rough hands, and I wanted to make a cream so that it's nice and moisturize my hands and it'll make it softer. So today I'm going to show you how to make your very own hand cream at home. This is very simple, so let's start now. So firstly, to make this cream you will need some aloe vera gel. So the aloe vera gel that I'll be using today is from Wow Skin Science, and this is really good. It doesn't have any preservatives or anything, and no color, no chemical. So I'm going to take about 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. To this I'm going to add some glycerin. Glycerin makes your makes your skin really soft. So about 2 drops of glycerin. To this we'll add some petroleum jelly. I'm going to take Vaseline, about this much. Now we'll mix it together. So I mixed it really well, and this is what you should be looking for, the consistency. So all you have to do is you just have to apply it on your palms. You can apply it on your feet as well, and wear socks, and you can also wear gloves for your hands, and this will make your hands really soft, because I've added glycerin and Vaseline. All these products will really help your skin to become a little soft. That's it guys, you all should definitely try this. So you all can make this cream and just store it in a nice container and just keep it next to your bed. So wherever you're going to bed, just apply it on your palms and wear gloves and you go to bed, and you'll see your hands will definitely become really soft. So do try this and let me know in the comment section below, and please don't forget to like this video. Thank you so much guys.